What is up, fam and friends? Throttle PHI here, and for this episode, we are gonna do a short review about the Taichi Stealth knee pads. Let's go! I purchased the knee pads from Moto Style in Alabang Town Center. I visited various Motoworld, Motomarket, Moto Style stores in the South and Metro Manila and sent them messages to check availability, but luck was not on my side. I patiently waited and kept checking various websites to no avail. After several months of hunting, I was able to visit the shop in ATC and was lucky enough to get me a pair.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Tried several standard knee pads before, but I didn't like them. For the Taichi knee pads, it really fits my style. It's something you can wear comfortably and casually and have a high level of protection. So I got it for 2,500 pesos. I'd say the price is fair for the level of comfort and protection that you get. For an updated price, please check their website right here. Alright, so now we're gonna talk about the product features of the Taichi Stealth knee guards. Number 1, low profile design. If you don't like the aggressive look and wants to keep a low profile, this is the knee pads for you. It is designed to give you that protection while wearing it under casual clothing. Number 2, mesh fabric material. It keeps moisture off the fabric, keeping you cool and comfortable for a better riding experience. Number 3, elastic strap for a secure fit. It helps to keep the knee guard in place and gives you that secure and safe feeling. And last but not the least, CE approved armor. So we always see this CE logo or CE stamp on our equipments. But what's the difference? CE is the abbreviation of a French phrase Conformité Européenne, which translates to European conformity. If a product bears any type of CE marking, this means its manufacturer has constructed this garment to an applicable standard of safety and protection legislation. This means that the product is made to at least a particular level of quality for the consumer's reassurance. So what's the difference between CE tested, CE certified, and CE approved? CE tested, it implies that the product was tested within the company's own facility that might meet certain standards. However, the product is not necessarily tested in a certified testing facility to meet official accredited standards. CE certified. This term is more secure as it states that the product samples were tested in a certified testing facility. In this case, you need to find out which part of the product was tested. CE approved. Such term means that several parts of the products were tested in certified facilities and are accredited to meet or surpass the required standards in all zones. So in short, the Taichi knee pads that we have is CE approved. So amongst the three, it's the highest level of CE approval that we can get. So it means that it went through some series of tests and it's really certified to be safe and it will deliver high standards of quality. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to wear the knee guards. Watch this. Pro tip guys, wear the knee pads first before your pants. It's easier and less hassle if you do it that way. The knee pads will stay in place as long as you secured it with the strap. Overall, I really like the apparel. I like the style and the concept that you can wear it under casual clothing, which means you can simply wear your favorite pair of pants or shorts without compromising safety. Like what I mentioned in my other reviews, I really don't go for the aggressive racing fashion. I also like the comfort. Upon using it for a while and riding around, it does not inhibit you from moving, and your usual range of motion while riding or walking is still there. It does not feel hot at all and prevents sweat even in warm conditions because of the mesh fabric material that was used to make the knee pads. I also like the safety it provides. CE Level 2 pads is a good entry level of protection for casual riding. Best part is that if you want to increase the level of protection, you can purchase a higher level of knee pads from your favorite store. Think of it as an upgrade. It provides you a high level of confidence and makes the riding experience much better. So that should be it for our short review of the Taichi Stealth knee pads. Massive and tons of shout out to everyone who supported me to this point. I couldn't have made it without you guys, so thank you very much. If you are new here, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again and see you on the next upload. Peace out.